Hello friends, welcome back again. Today's video we will learn about function block diagram PLC programming using retentive on delay timer in Siemens PLC logo. Let's go to our topic. We will open our logo soft comfort software 8.3 version, and here where we can find the in this command you can just scroll this one bar instructions, and in the section of special function, where is the special function? Yeah, this is the special function. In the timer section you can find this one, retentive on delay timer. Directly you can choose this one here and place it anywhere in the page, and after you can like to be some arrangements if like to be make, you can anywhere in the arrange, just here pick and drag it here. And next you have to be must be for this timer operation you need some inputs yani. So where you can find the input, here we can choose one input address I1, for example first input address of our PLC, and we can just connect our I1 with the help of connector tool and connect this one input. That spaces between these blocks and lines you can arrange easily. And in next step, for this timer you have to be choose two inputs, because of in this uh, timer section, where goes this, yeah, in this timer here you can see this is the on delay and off delay and on off delay. These timers are using just only single one input you can use, but in this timer retentive on delay timer you have to be choose two inputs, because of one is for on trick the time and one is for reset the time. So I choose one more input address, a second input address I will choose and drop it here, and it will be automatically select I2 how much you like to be select, same like I3 I4 is it will be automatically chosen. So this I2 also we will connect to this our reset input, and next we will choose one output with this Q output, and you can select it here. After you can with the help of connector tool you can connect your output. It's very simple and very easy method. Now this timer first I will show you one the in the help in retentive on delay timer short description they will saying what they can say. A one shot at the input triggers a configurable time. Logo sets the output upon expiration of this time. Input trig, these are connections and this is the description. Input trig means this is the first, here I will take this one. This is TRG. Input trig trigger the on delay time via the trigger input. He says you can give the signal at the trigger input I1 or I2 or I3, which you like to be choose signal, and after input R reset the on delay time and reset the output to 0 via input R reset. Reset takes priority over trig. Also this is just trig yani. Instead of this uh, on delay timer, retentive on delay timer, instead of this only on delay timer, that's the difference. This is just takes the continuously on, this one on delay, and this just you have to be only just when give the one trig, after your time will be start, and even its time will be not completed, it will be not stop. But in during the operation if operator likes to be stop this one timer, he can press the I2. After this time will be stop his time. So let's this one we will download to the PLC. From here also you can download, and also in tools go to in transfer and PC to logo you can transfer your program, and also CTRL plus D also if you press, after you can download the program. Just click it OK and your program will be started downloading. So our program is successfully downloaded into the PLC, and now we will make the simulation. If you don't have a physical hardware, you can go to the simulations and you can check your program. But I have physical hardware, so I will click it on the online monitoring, and after I will show you. Just click it OK and your simulation will be start. And as per seen, you can see your all lines, input address and timers, and this symbol is online monitoring is shown. So now you have to be just set the time in your timer, right click and go to the remote properties, and here you can choose the seconds, hours, whatever your demand you can choose. I choose minutes and I will give the just 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 seconds I will give the time and click it OK. And after you can click it on the symbol, after you can monitor the time, running time also you can see. Now I will give the signal from the physical input of my PLC. Also we can see in our camera, I will show you this program we can move if possible. Not possible, I think so. Even if you make it online, after you cannot move this one. But if this is once I will stop the simulation, and you can choose also this is small, whatever yani where you like to be make. We need our camera here to see your physical connections. I will choose my camera, and here you can see in the physical, this is my PLC logo model, and this I wires input, 4 inputs I already connected, and 2 outputs, which is 2 bulbs behind my VFDs. You can see this is one is green and one is blue color. That's I connected with my PLC 1 number and 2 number hardware. So I will again make this one online. This our symbol is little go to behind, but I will once make it online, after we will go back. Once we cancel that monitoring, it will be go back to continuously. So now you can see our PLC is ready in for online monitoring. When as I press the button of my input address I1, after you can see our time is now started. As this time will be 10 seconds will be completed, our output will be energized. See, your output is now energized, and till then it will be not stop even you press the button of I2, because of this timer is little different than this on delay timer. You can see this one on delay timer, you just press, and now if you not hold it, after it will be immediately off. Now as I give the signal at I2, after you will be see our timer will be off. Can see our output is off. Again I give the signal, because of you see this time running time you can see in the monitoring mode. As I give the signal at I.1, and now this time is started, and as this 10 seconds will be completed, your output will be on. Here also is showing red like on, and in the physical hardware also you can see this is our green light is on. So as I give the second signal, this is my push buttons, I will show you this one. As I give the signal at I2, our output will be off. And one more thing which is important, for an example, sometimes if operator press this button and after 2-3 seconds, maybe this is operation time is set as 10 seconds, and operator press this one, trick this timer, and after he little think about I wrong press, maybe have some remaining work not done, he like to be stopped between this during this operation. Immediately when he push this I2, this timer will be stopped. So I will check this one. I give this one trig. You can see now our time is started 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. But now I like to stop. I just give the signal. You can see your time is stopped. Yani till your output is not on. This is the benefit of this timer. As you give the trig, your output will be on as completed his time in between, but if you give the signal, your time will be stop. As I give the signal one more at I2, your output will be off. So hope guys you will be understand about this retentive on delay timer, how we can use in the program. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.